Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best LED conversion kit is probably one of the most effective ways to breathe new life into your old Maglite flashlights. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of LED conversion kits, exploring how they can transform your trusty old flashlight into a super bright, energy-efficient powerhouse. We'll cover everything from the benefits of upgrading to LED technology to the key features you should look for when choosing the perfect kit for your needs. Number 5. LudoPam XP G3 LED Upgrade Bulb for Maglite Flashlight. Tired of dim, yellow light? This upgrade bulb is designed to replace your old incandescent bulb. It will instantly transform your flashlight into a powerful, efficient light source. This LED upgrade is specifically for Maglite flashlights. It works with 3, 4, 5, or 6 cell D or C models. Make sure your flashlight is compatible before installing it. Experience the difference with the XP G3S4 LED. It delivers a bright white light with 280 lumens. You will notice a significant improvement over the original bulb. Installing this bulb is simple. Just unscrew the flashlight head, remove the old bulb, insert the new LED, and reassemble. It's that easy to upgrade. This upgrade bulb is built to last. It offers an estimated 50,000 hours of use. You can rely on it for years to come. The bulb features a precision-engineered CNC body. This design ensures outstanding heat dissipation. This helps the bulb perform at its best. What we like. This LudoPam upgrade bulb features an enlarged CNC body for superior heat dissipation. It also boasts a super bright XP G3 LED, providing a significant upgrade in brightness. If you're looking for a reliable and bright upgrade for your Maglite, this is a great choice. What people say. This unit was very easy to install and provides light that is both brighter and whiter than the original bulb, even with old batteries. The original focus feature of the mag is still functional. The batteries should last much longer. Number 4. LiteXpress LXB530 LED Upgrade Module. Introducing the LiteXpress LXB530 LED Upgrade Module. This module is designed to enhance your existing Maglite torch, providing a brighter and more efficient light source. The LXB530 is incredibly easy to install. It's suitable for 3 to 6 CD-cell Maglite torches, making the upgrade process simple and straightforward. This upgrade is energy efficient, saving you money on batteries. You'll enjoy longer run times and reduced battery consumption. By upgrading, you're making a cost-effective choice. It provides a powerful light output while minimizing your expenses. The LXB530 is also compatible with NMH batteries. This gives you more flexibility in choosing your power source. What we like. The LiteXpress LXB530 is designed for easy replacement in your Maglite. It's energy efficient, saving you money on batteries. If you're looking for a simple, cost-effective upgrade that works with NMH batteries, this module is perfect. What people say. The improvement in illumination is enormous. It's like having a brand new 500 lumen LED flashlight. Comparing it to a Surefire G2X Tactical, 600 lumens, the Surefire is very slightly brighter, with a lot more spill, but the Maglite works more like a spotlight with totally acceptable spill. Installed simply and easily. Fit perfectly, and the difference in light output is amazing. It's still not the 1000 lumen powerhouse like some, but there's no comparison to the original incandescent bulbs. This thing will light the backyard and treetops. Number 3. LudoPam LED Conversion Kit for Maglite Flashlight. Are you looking to upgrade your flashlight? This LED conversion kit is designed to replace your old bulb. It's easy to install and provides a brighter, more efficient light. This LED bulb is compatible with various flashlights. It works with Maglite flashlights and many other brands. This makes it a versatile choice for your lighting needs. Please note that this LED bulb is P13.5S socket. It is not compatible with Magnumber Star bipin xenon bulbs. Make sure it fits your flashlight before purchasing. This 3-watt LED bulb delivers 200 lumens. It provides a bright, focused beam of light. The 6000 K color temperature ensures clear visibility. Installing this bulb is simple. Just unscrew the flashlight head, remove the old bulb, and insert the new one. Then reassemble it, and you are good to go. The bulb has a negative ring and positive tip polarity. Please check your flashlight before installing the new bulb. This will ensure the bulb functions correctly. What we like. This LudoPam kit offers wide compatibility, working with various Maglite models and even other flashlights. It provides a super bright light output. If you need a versatile upgrade for multiple flashlights, this is the one. What people say. The LED upgrade is a great improvement over the original incandescent bulb. The light is much brighter and more efficient. Installation was easy. Number 2. TRLIFE LED replacement bulb for Maglite flashlight. Tired of dim flashlights? This LED replacement bulb is designed specifically for Maglite flashlights using 3 to 16 C and D cell batteries. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. This 3W LED bulb provides over 200 lumens of bright, white light. It offers a wide 110-degree beam angle, ensuring you can see everything. Plus, it's energy efficient, lasting much longer than traditional bulbs. This bulb is compatible with a wide range of Maglite flashlights, including 3 to 16 CND cell models, and even some 18V models. Installation is easy, but remember to check the polarity before you put it in. Forget about frequent bulb replacements. This LED bulb has a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. That means you can rely on it for years of use without worry. Please note that this LED bulb is designed for DC 4-24V. It is not compatible with bipin xenon bulbs. Make sure your flashlight meets these requirements before purchasing. What we like. The TRLIFE LED flashlight offers a wide voltage range, making it compatible with many Maglite models. It uses high-quality LED chips for long-lasting performance. If you want a bright and durable upgrade for your Maglite, consider this one. What people say. A terrific upgrade for my old 4D cell flashlights. I compared one with the new LED against one with the original Krypton bulb, bright white versus dull yellow. This is a vast improvement. They fit perfectly with the flashlight and the light is much brighter than OEM light bulb. Number 1. TRLIFE Maglite LED Bulb 3V, replacement for Maglite flashlights. This is a 3V LED bulb, designed specifically for 2-cell C and D Maglite flashlights. It's the perfect way to upgrade your flashlight's performance. Please note that this LED bulb is not compatible with bipin xenon bulbs. The bulb provides a bright 3W output, delivering over 200 lumens with a 6000 K color temperature. The 110-degree beam angle ensures a wide area of illumination. It will light your way with a daylight white light. This LED bulb utilizes long-lasting LED clips, offering a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. This means you can rely on it for years of use. It's a durable and reliable light source. The polarity of this bulb is negative ring, positive tip. Before installing, please double-check your flashlight's polarity to ensure proper function. This is crucial for the bulb to work correctly. It operates on 3V DC, making it compatible with standard D and C2 cell Maglite flashlights. Make sure your flashlight meets these specifications for optimal performance. This ensures the bulb will work as intended. What we like. This TRLIFE bulb is specifically designed for 2-cell Maglite flashlights. It provides a bright light output. If you have a 2-cell Maglite and want a reliable, bright upgrade, this is the perfect option. What people say. Works great in my Mag 2D cell flashlight. Much brighter, wider light and the batteries will probably last longer. I took a emery board and slightly flattened out the solder nib. The bulb has good contact now and is bright and steady. I estimate it is about 3 times brighter than the stock bulb. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.